Welcome to September's Market Update. Brought to you in cooperation with this sponsor. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of September. The number of active listings was up 100% from 1 year earlier and down 33% from the previous month. Even so, buyers still enjoyed a greater selection of homes today than they did 1 year ago. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just under $190,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was up 100%. This higher number of days may signal a slowdown in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just under $190,000. The number of units sold increased 100% year over year and held steady month over month. These latest figures are encouraging news for both buyers and sellers, indicating a positive trend in the marketplace. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.